Alright, this is going to be the first and last recording for the 23rd. I didn't make or lose anything. I didn't trade anything. I didn't have any canceled orders. At least I don't think I have any canceled orders. The only stock I was looking at was OCEA, and I ended up on not trading it. But there were a few times that I was actually interested in trading it, but I hesitated, which sucks because this one really worked out. But at least I was able to learn from it. This thing was up, I believe, on good news, and I was watching it when it was able to hold itself above VWAP, and then when it started to work out right here, it really uptrended, and there was a point where I was just no longer able to really consider trading it, and there might be a chance E-Trade Pro is going to be glitched because of the time period and everything, but we can look at it here on TD Immediate Trade. There was a point when I was watching it in the morning, and let's see if I can try to show this, but I was liking it, and I did draw a trend line, and I managed to follow it for the most of the, yeah, for the entire move for the most part here in the morning. I don't really want to go into too much detail because I didn't trade it, but I was watching it when it broke this level right here, and then it continued the uptrend some more, and this actually was something where I could have fulfilled that thing that I've been trying to do, which is to be in a halt profitably. This thing did become a halter, and I was interested in it, but yeah, I just wish I was able to really show the chart a bit better than this, but I was watching it when it was holding above VWAP and it was trying to turn around, but it was very quick, and I was also watching it, and then it had its first halt, and then after that, I wouldn't have really have traded it anymore. Yeah, this was just a super nice one. Let's just keep this really short and to the point. I didn't trade anything, but I was looking at this, and I hope in the future, if I see something like this, I actually trade it, and it actually works out as well. That's pretty much it for today. There was nothing else that I was interested in, nothing that was really up that much on the day, except for OCEA, and then this one, GGAA, which was a similar one that had halts, but it wasn't as nice as this one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope to just get better, and I just really hesitated on a bunch of setups with this. I just need to remember that what I'm trading right now doesn't really matter, because the size I'm trading is so small to begin with, and I just need to take the L's or W's, whichever ends up being, which in this case would have been a really nice W, and just learn from that, and then eventually size up with more experience and be able to really profit when stuff like this happens, and I'm trading much more size. That's it for today.